Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This week I will be doing a rewind and my inserts from Hello Petite Paper, and I'm loving these inserts. I'm using a Shop Jessica Hart mini kit. I was planning to use this kit in my EC, but when the week came I just didn't want to use it and I passed it up, and then I ended up using another kit, and then I didn't have any space for this kit. And I just love this kit. I don't know why I didn't want to use it in my EC, but I'm glad I got to use it here. So as you saw on the bottom washi, these inserts do allow you to have both sides of the bottom washi, but one side just has to be shorter, so I chose to not have the lighthouse. And then I used the pink headers up top just to cap everything off. And here I'm putting down the full boxes, and I'm looking at the previous week just to see where I put them. I try to naturally do the V shape thing, but I want it to look not as uniform as it does in my EC, my normal EC, because I wanted to try a new planner style. That's why I got the inserts. So here on this Monday, I used a washi strip, and I put down a Coffee Monday. And this is a sticker from Murdoch Talks, and I love these Coffee Mondays stickers. I wish they just say coffee so I can use them on other days than Monday, because I will feel weird using a Coffee Monday on a Tuesday. A Coffee Monday sticker on a Tuesday. But either way, I love them. Then this day I had a client presentation, and then I had something else, a site visit, and I just wanted to use this girl on a computer getting things done, because that's how I felt that day. I just had to get a couple things done for school, and so that is from my newest addiction. Then I put a bow on it, of course. Then I got some Happy Meal that day, and I just used a glitter header just to give it a little bit of background, and then I filmed a video. So I put that at the bottom, and on a flag, this flag box came off the extra sheet that she offers as a add-on. So I used that, and then I put a bow on that as well. Then on Tuesday, I'm using the Sophie colorway, the open hearts, to mark a video that week, and I used this emoji with the ice cream because it was so hot that day, and I got that from the summer sheet. And then I don't know why I jumped down and put sleep early, because I was just extremely tired that day, so I put sleep early. And that day I ended up eating a lot of junk food, so I wanted to mark that, which was not good because I had a tummy ache, and I think that's why I went to sleep early. I also bought stickers this day. I think $2 too. I think I bought the Sadie's stickers. She had the pink $2 Tuesday things that I wanted to get, so I picked those up, even though I was on a no spend. So that's why I marked it, especially because I was trying to keep track of the days that I bought stickers when I was not supposed to. That sticker is from Love Shiver. So moving on to Wednesday, I put down for Washi Wednesday, and then I think I worked on some homework, and I painted my nails. All of those things are all the boxes are from the kit, and the flag is from the kit. The nail polish is not. It's from Let's Make It Sparkle. The girl is from Fox and Pip. And I like when I put the glitter header over top of the full box, just because I didn't have anything else to mark, and it filled up some space. I do that with some full boxes, and sometimes I don't do it. So on Thursday, I'm sorry that this is cut off a little bit, but I just put a coffee rung, and that sticker is from Paper Blush Bar. And then I just used a Happy Meal box from Hello Petite Paper to mark that I got more Happy Meal. And then I put a blue glitter header at the bottom. And in these inserts, I've been loving doing this, where I just kind of bump a sticker up against the glitter header and not use a box or anything. And I just marked that I was just so tired that day. I don't know. I think I was just very tired this week. School's come to an end, and I was just so tired, so that I just marked relaxing that evening. Then I move on to Friday, and I put a glitter header down again, and then I was gonna mark lazy day, but I ended up switching up how I wanted to mark it, because I had to mark my video first. I think my video was supposed to go up on Thursday, and it didn't go up on Thursday, and I ended up putting it up on Friday, so I marked that before lazy day. So I just moved it and put the open heart here. I'm loving using the tweezers as well in these inserts, because it's kind of difficult to put things down straight because you don't have any lines or anything like that. It's a lot of open space, so I've been loving using my tweezers. So then I just used a quarter box to be a background for the lazy day. I just thought it brought a little bit more color, and then I jumped down and do film again, and I marked it the same way I marked it on Monday. I usually film my EC video on Friday, and then I just put a bow on that as well. And then the space above that, I used a flag going vertically to mark that I had stayed up and waited for my boyfriend to get off work. He gets off at 12 o'clock, so during the week I don't normally stay up and wait for him because I have to work the next day. But Fridays, it's the next day, Saturday, I usually wait for him and we spend some time together. Here I froze it because Saturday is cut off, so I wanted to mark that it rained all day Saturday, and that my sister came back in town, and that I did some crafting that night. I think the asterisk in the middle is for the fact that I think my boyfriend had to do an emergency. He was on call for that weekend, so he had an emergency call, I think. I'm not sure. So then Sunday, because I don't have my planner with me, so Sunday I just marked that we did some cleaning in the morning, and then that we went to the grocery store, and then I used a quarter box from the kit right here. I'm so nervous because I just filmed another rewind spread that it's gonna be cut off like this. I'm so sorry that it's cut off. I couldn't fix it in editing. That's why I froze it, so that you guys can get a good look at Saturday. But hopefully the next one that I've just filmed is not like this at all. I'm just getting used to filming with the inserts and being able to move the inserts around versus, like the EC is more sturdy. So yeah, so the spray bottle came from the kit. The grocery bag that came from what did it come from? Planner-esque. And then I did a face mask and I washed my hair. So like Sunday evening was just like a me time kind of evening. And yeah, so Sunday was just cleaning, grocery store, like getting things done type of day. This wasn't a pretty eventful week per se. I took out cleaning and put my video, but that's fine. It wasn't like an eventful type of week, but I still like to rewind it because I'm getting used to these inserts, and I can't tell you guys how much I love this kit. It is so pretty. The wood background, the picnics, the food, everything is just so pretty. And Shop Jessica Hart's mini kits are perfect for these inserts. Perfect. And the 4 boxes that I had left, I used them in my daily spread, my daily inserts, and I just love them even more. I think I'm going to show you guys me writing some things in. I'll show you here too. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I really did like this kit. I'm like trying to keep track of like what kits I like for the insert and what kits I don't think work so well, but I really think that this kit works. Oh yeah, the asterisk is for emergency call. And then yeah, so yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.